The dance is performed by several backward community called Godda, Mugera and Mansa for eradicating the evil spirit from the native place. Especially this dance is performed every door to door. So the evil spirit called Mari should be eradicated. In our area, near Paduvidri, Kallate, Kapu, Katpadi, the dances were performed before, but now it is going to be extincted. So our members went there and studied, and it is put in form of demonstrative in front of the public. This is called Dolu. This is called Cherende or Dolchende. That is called Chile. Pural, what we are saying in our native language, he is the god of evil spirit. When he comes to door, he is free to take anything from the house, especially vegetables from the fields. Nobody should stop him to taking this. Small children are graced by our Kadikana.
ಪುಟ್ಟು ದೀನಿ ಓಲುಂದು ಪಿನ್ಬಾರ
ಕಂಗೀಲಾವೋ ಪುಟ್ಟು ದೀನಿ ದೆಸೆ ಬಾಡಕಾಯಿ
Dudi is a musical instrument solely used by the Moger or Mera community of South Kendra district of Karnataka state. It is a cultural identity mark of this people. This Dudi is involved in the recreational dances as well as the ritualistic dances of the Moger community. Yearly cycles of the rituals as well as the life cycle periods, every time is Dudi is used. That is why it is called as the identity mark of this Moger community. The motif of the dances to ward off the evil powers. That is why only the male people used to participate in the ritualistic dances. It is a very rare dance which is available in this community only. Even today they are living in the villages without any government jobs, but culturally this is a very, very strong community.
ಈ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಭಾವದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೂ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮರಿಬಾರದು, ತನ್ನ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಅನನ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಮರಿಬಾರದು ಎಂಬ ಒಂದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ದುಡಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚಲಿತವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ತರಬೇಕು, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಉಳಿಯಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಒಂದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚುರಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.